Greetings and salutations. This is the Dancehall Professor. And before we get to the episodes tonight, I would like to give some public service announcements. This is for the persons who have not been watching the channel and don't know what is happening. First of all, there is a name change. We are now the agency and no longer the bartender. Second of all, we upload only 3 times for the week: Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. This time is the same: 7, 7:15, and 7:30. For the persons who don't watch the channel, you won't have this information. So instead of coming on the channel and asking, is there a name change? Are they uploading every day? If you watch our Sunday night live, then you will get all that information. But there are a number of persons who only watch the series, so they don't watch the channel to see and hear the important information. For my loyal subscribers and viewers, thank you for your support. Thank you for your continued support. And for the ones who I call waganis, who just come over and watch the series, I'm encouraging you to watch other things on the channel. Very importantly as well, we will also be adding 2 other days. In another 3 weeks, you'll be seeing Spanish Town Crew, which will talk about the story of Butcher, Hittis, and Vicious. And we will also be adding Destiny and Dad, which tells the story of Destiny and her father, Whisper. Then later on in the month, we will be showing you the Sullivans. That is the story of Nicey, Trevor, and Camille and their daughter. So there are more things coming to the channel, but based on resources for now, we can only upload the agency 3 times for the week: Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Other things that are on the channel, we have interviews with the actors. We also have vlogs. So if you're supporting the channel, please do. But don't just watch one thing and then come and ask questions. Watch the full thing and then you'll get a full understanding. Once again, thank you so much for your continued support. This is Orville Expressions, thanking you for tuning in.
Boss, what go on?
What one Whisper?
Yeah, I know. You free up, you know. Assignment done?
Not really, you know. But still dep on it. But me talk to you about that one next time.
Alright, so which part now already there, you know?
Still there Germany, you know. Me make sure me get all of the information for deal with the case here before me forward.
Which is right. Glad to hear from you still.
Me too, you know. Glad to hear from you. It's good to hear your voice. What one with you and Pops?
Boy, the situation with C and Kev, you know, sit well with him, you know. And you say, true me, make him not call her in.
She even realized how serious her actions were. She talked to you about keep secrets and then turn around and do the same thing.
And that hurt me, you know. And I think we'll pass her stage already.
So what the status with you and her now?
I tell her I say I don't think I can trust her around me no more. So, we're up on a pass.
Why Whisper? I know everybody got understand how to operate in our world, you know. I'm really sorry to hear about all of this thing. But you have to do what you have to do.
When we can overlook everything else as a single man and as an agent, we can't do that. When my daughter there around me.
True that. By the way, what she there? How she do?
She do have a shepherd, you know. You know, say, look like she get to like over there though.
Well, that is a good thing. That means that she's not afraid of discipline, because you and I know shepherd don't joke.
For real, man. I real that.
You hear from Tony? Because me call her from yesterday and I not get her.
You know me that try call her earlier too. But the phone goes straight to voicemail.
That's strange. I may call Kareem phone and the same thing. It a ring without answer.
You hear from Mr. Mullins? Because I'm an already apart from your gone.
Man, I want sound no alarm yet. Just go and call her. And if you not get her, you just go to the house tomorrow.
Definitely. Me keep you posted.
Alright.
Minister, it's always a bad idea to turn your back.
Majors,
Mm.
what happened to the laptop?
I thought, but I got a sense that there was some foul play.
Don't speak to me like I'm on one of your tour missions. You know. Just talk to me straight.
Well, Mullins and his team seem to have gotten to a guy on the run as well.
How come? This was supposed to be a foolproof plan.
It's like this. I got suspicious when the hacker went underground for a week. And then when he resurfaced, he was telling me that he felt that he was being watched.
So, he was off the grid for an entire week. No communication?
You see, that is why I was cautious about the pickup. So I sent a guy named Chaka to pick it up and drop it off.
I know that guy, you know. Come from around Swamp Lane.